नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो. आजपासून मी कॉमर्स मॅथमॅटिक्सचे व्हिडिओ देखील माझ्या या चॅनलवरती अपलोड करणार आहे. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी 12वी कॉमर्ससाठी मॅथमॅटिक्स हा सब्जेक्ट घेतला असेल त्यांना निश्चितच याचा उपयोग होणार आहे. मी पूर्ण कोर्स करणार आहे यामध्ये. ओके. याचा निश्चितच जे विद्यार्थी मराठी मीडियम मधून आलेले असतील, सेमी इंग्लिश मधनं आणि त्याचबरोबर इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना देखील याचा उपयोग होईल. त्याचबरोबर माझे सायन्सच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी देखील मॅथमॅटिक्सचे व्हिडिओ आहेत, ते देखील तुम्ही बघू शकताय जर चॅप्टर ते सिमिलर असतील तर. ओके. आता या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी डिफरन्शिएशन या चॅप्टर मधला एक्सरसाइज 3.1 घेणार आहे, पण त्या आधीची सर्व सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल्स अँड इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर्म्युलीज मी तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. I will teach in both language as well as Marathi and English. Okay. Now let us start the differentiation. Let's study. First, in this chapter, you will learn the derivative of composite function, derivative of inverse function, derivative of logarithmic function, derivative of implicit function, derivative of parametric function, and the derivative of second order. हे या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत. मात्र आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फक्त एक्सरसाइज 3.1 बघणार आहोत. ओके. नाउ लेट्स रिकॉल द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ कंटिन्युटी. इफ द लिमिट ऑफ फंक्शन exists and value of the function both are equal, then the given function is a continuous. Okay. Concept of differentiability and the next derivative of some standard function. आता यामध्ये मी तुम्हाला एक यादी दाखवणार आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्हची. y is equals to f of x and here is a dy by dx is equals to f dash of x. Okay. Derivative of any constant is 0. Derivative of any number 5, 3, 10, 100 is always a 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay. Derivative of 1 upon x is a minus 1 upon x square and derivative of x raised to n is equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. Suppose that here I want to find out derivative of x raised to 5. Okay. Then according to this rule, take this power here. Then x raised to 5 minus 1. Therefore, its a derivative is 5 into x raised to 4. म्हणजे जी काही पॉवर असेल ती पुढे घेणार आणि त्या पॉवर मधनं 1 मायनस करणार. दिस इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x raised to 5. सपोज इट्स x raised to 1 upon 2 असेल. मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा असेल तर आपण 1 upon 2 हा पुढे घेणार. x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1. And here is a 1 upon 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1 means minus 1 upon 2. मग हीच पॉवर काय केली जाते तर ती प्लस करून लिहिली जाते. Here is a 1 upon 2, 1 upon x raised to 1 upon 2. But x raised to 1 upon 2 means what? It is a root x and hence it is overall 1 into 1, 1, 2 into root x and hence the derivative of root x is a 1 upon 2 times root x. तुम्ही पुढे म्हणाल की what is the derivative of 1 upon x? It's a minus 1 upon x square. मग यामध्ये देखील तसंच केलेलं आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 upon x. ओके. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 upon x. मग प्रत्येकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना हे x चा टर्म न्यूमरेटरला आणणार. इट विल बिकम minus 1. ओके. आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना या रूल नुसार x raised to n चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय की n into x raised to n minus 1. पुन्हा minus 1 पुढे आला x raised to minus 1 minus 1 and here minus 1 x raised to minus 2. Again keep this minus 1 to the numerator and make this power as a positive. Okay. तो डिनोमिनेटर आला तर त्याचा इंडेक्स करणार पॉवर पॉझिटिव्ह होणार. Therefore, derivative of 1 upon x is a minus 1 upon x square. This is the derivative of 1 upon x. It's a minus 1 upon x square. Okay. Derivative of a raised to x. A raised to x a derivative. A is any rational number. Okay. Therefore, a raised to x is a raised to x. Suppose that instead of a, I will take 5 raised to x. Therefore, what is the derivative of 5 raised to x? 5 raised to x into log of 5. Suppose here is a 7 raised to x. Then derivative of 7 raised to x is a 7 raised to x into log of 7. Okay. In this way, a derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. Derivative of e raised to x हा e raised to x and derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. This is the list you have learned in the 11th standard. तुम्ही 11वीत ही यादी सगळी बघितलेली आहे. Now the rules of differentiation काय? If u and v are differentiable function of x and if y is equals to u plus v, then dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. म्हणजे दोन फंक्शनची जर ऍडिशन असेल इथे तर दोघांचे इंडिपेंडंट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय साइन आहे, प्लस असेल तर प्लस आणि मायनस असेल तर मायनस. हियर y is equals to u minus v, then dy by dx is equals to du by dx minus dv by dx in this way. Okay. When there is a product of the two functions y is equals to u into v, then what is the dy by dx? मग dy by dx याचा कसा काढला? Keep the first function as it is, find out the derivative of the second, plus second as it is and the derivative of the first function. And in this way, we have the derivative of the product of the two functions. Product of the two functions चा derivative काढताना पहिला जसा जसा दुसऱ्याचा derivative plus दुसरा जसा जसा पहिल्याचा derivative in this way. Next, y is equals to u upon v, then dy by dx. याला quotient rule म्हणतात, याला product rule म्हणतात. ओके. quotient rule मध्ये बघा v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. प्रत्येकदा कन्फ्युजन होतं मात्र परीक्षेला. इथे v आहे का u आहे. ओके. डिवायडेड बाय v स्क्वेअर आपल्याला माहिती आहे मात्र. हा v स्क्वेअर न v ने स्टार्ट. जर v जसं तसं असेल then the derivative of du by dx minus मी इथे उलट u into dv by dx या प्रकारे. And this rule is called the quotient rule. Now the next, y is equals to k into u, then dy by dx is equals to k into du by dx. What type of this example is? Suppose that y is equals to 7x raised to 11. Then it's a derivative. याचा derivative काढताना dy by dx is equals to 7 into ddx of x raised to 7 कसा आहे तर तो multiplied constant आहे. Keep it as it is here. That is 7 into derivative of x raised to 11. 11 minus 1 means what? X raised to 10. And here you will get 77 into x raised to n. This is the derivative. म्हणून कॉन्स्टंट हा मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह कॉन्स्टंट आहे, तो बाहेर ठेवायचा आणि इनटू त्या फंक्शनचा आपण ते डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत असतो, where k is a constant. Okay. Now let's learn derivative of the composite function. आता डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन म्हणजे काय, की यापूर्वी तुम्ही असं लर्न केलेलं आहे. व्हॉट इज दॅट? y is equals to you have learned the derivative of sin x. मग sin x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय होता? तर here it was the cos x. Okay. But now here y is equals to sin of. Again there is a one more function x square plus 3x plus 2. Now it means that we want to find out the derivative of first this function sin and then x square plus 3x plus 2. That is a function in function. हे sin मध्ये पुन्हा कोण आहे तर x square plus 3x plus 2 आहे. Okay. Sometimes complex looking functions can be greatly simplified by expressing them as a composition of two or more different functions. It is then not possible to differentiate them directly. Is possible with simple function. Okay. Now we discuss the differentiation of such composite function using the chain rule. मग काय chain rule आहे? Suppose that here y is equals to f of x is a differentiable function of u. म्हणजे काय की y is equals to f of u. म्हणजे y मध्ये कोण आहे तर u आहे. ओके. and u is equals to g of x. आणि u मध्ये कुठले व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत? x. u is equals to g of x is a differentiable function of x. Then what is the chain rule? This is very very important. dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. ओके. मग त्यामध्ये प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करताना u कुठे कुठे मानायचा मी तुम्हाला त्या वेळेस तसं सांगणार आहे आणि हाच रूल सर्वाधिक इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. What is here? y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Okay. मग yचं डिफरन्शिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u करायचं आणि uचं डिफरन्शिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x करायचं. देन यू विल गेट dy बाय dx. ओके. आता इथे मी तुम्हाला यादी दाखवणार आहे आणि दोघांमध्ये कसं डिफरन्शिएट करायचं की कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शनला कसा तो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह होता. नाव इन फर्स्ट केस इथे बघा तुम्ही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x रेज टू n तो सिंपल होता n इंटू x रेज टू n मायनस 1. पण आता तुम्हाला x नसणार इथे तर इथे एक कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन असणार आहे f ऑफ x. मग सिमिलरली हियर the derivative of f of x raised to n is n into f of x raised to n minus 1. म्हणजे याच्यासारखाच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा. बट त्याला इंटू या f of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करायचा. दॅट इज f dash of x. ओके. Therefore the derivative of f of x bracket is to n is n into f of x bracket is to n minus 1 into f dash of x. इथे काय करत होतो आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. इथे देखील आपण x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लिहिलेला आहे. पण x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती असतो तर 1 असतो. म्हणून त्याची काही लिहायची आवश्यकता नव्हती. नेक्स्ट इथे बघा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ रूट ऑफ x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Okay. Then what's the derivative of root of f of x? Similarly 1 upon 2 times root of f of x. इथपर्यंत क्लिअर आहे. But here the term is other than x which is another function and that is f of x. म्हणून त्याला इंटू काय करणार f dash of x. या सर्व लिस्ट मध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर प्रत्येकाला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढून झाल्यानंतर त्याला f dash of x ने मल्टिप्लाइड केलेला आहे when it is a composite function. आता पुन्हा इथे 1 upon x raised to n. Then what's its a derivative? Minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. आता हा देखील डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा होता x raised to n चा जर मला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल तर ती पॉवर काय करणार मी न्यूमरेटरला आणणार आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना आपला बेसिक रूल काय तर ही पॉवर पुढे आणायची त्यातनं एक मायनस करायचा. मी पॉवर n पुढे आणली x raised to minus n minus 1. ओके minus n minus 1. Keep this minus n as it is. आता x raised to minus n minus 1 हा जर मी डिनोमिनेटरला आणला त्याचा इंडेक्स कसा होणार तो पॉझिटिव्ह होणार. Minus n will become plus, minus 1 will become also plus and hence its a derivative is a minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. This is the derivative of 1 upon x raised to n. म्हणजे काय की बेसिकली हा सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. हाच रूल सगळीकडे तो वापरलेला आहे. ओके. इथे देखील तसंच आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 upon x इज अ मायनस 1 upon x स्क्वेअर डायरेक्ट कसा की हा x ची न्यूमरेटरला ना इट पॉवर विल बिकम मायनस 1. मग डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना काय की आपण पुन्हा मायनस 1 हा पुढे घेतलेला आहे या रूल नुसार अँड या पॉवर मधनं एक काय करतो आपण मायनस करतो. ओके. देन यू विल गेट मायनस 1 x रेज टू मायनस 2. पुन्हा ती पॉवर आपण डिनोमिनेटरला आणणार अँड इट विल बिकम प्लस अँड हेन्स यू विल गेट मायनस 1 upon x square in this way. Okay. आता इथे बघा 1 upon f of x bracket raised to n. मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह देखील काढताना आपण कसं केलेलं आहे see this here. 1 upon f of x bracket raised to n. Similarly here minus n upon f of x minus n upon x raised to n plus 1 minus n upon f of x raised to n plus 1 into जो काही आत फंक्शन असेल त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करणार आहे. Derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root x. Similarly here, the derivative of root of f of x is 1 upon 2 root of f of x into f dash of x. Next, sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. पण इथे x नाहीये तर काय येतं f of x. Therefore, derivative of sin of f of x is a cos of f of x into f dash of x. Derivative of cos of x is a minus sin x. Similarly, derivative of cos of f of x is a minus sin of f of x into पुन्हा या f of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह त्याला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Derivative of tan of x is a sec square x and hence here the derivative of tan of f of x is a sec square f of x into f dash of x. Okay. आता derivative of sec x आपल्याला माहिती आहे. The derivative of sec x is a sec x into tan x. इथे याद आहे. Derivative of sec x is a sec x into tan x. Now the derivative of sec of f of x is a sec of f of x into tan of f of x into f dash of x. Okay. या प्रकारे. Next, derivative of cosec x is a minus cosec x into cot x. Similarly, derivative of cosec f of x. Similarly, minus cosec f of x into cot of f of x into f dash of x. हा एकदाच लिहायचा मात्र. Derivative of cot x is a minus cosec square x. And here, the derivative of cot of f of x is a minus cosec square f of x into f dash of x. Next, easy hai. E raised to x a derivative e raised to x. Similarly, derivative of e raised to f of x is a e raised to f of x into f dash of x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Similarly, derivative of a raised to f of x is a raised to f of x into log a into f dash of x. Okay. या प्रकारे. Next, derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Then what is the derivative of log of f of x? Similarly, 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x, which is the f dash of x. Derivative of log of x to the base a. Its a derivative is 1 upon x log of a. Similarly, derivative of log of f of x to the base a is again 1 upon, what is that? F of x into log a into the derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. या सर्व यादीमध्ये जर तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व केलं की प्रत्येकाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इथे केलेलं आहे. ओके, ही यादी पुन्हा तुम्ही 2-3 वेळा बघा. निश्चितच जर समजा तुम्हाला हे जर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सर्व समजले तर एक्सरसाइज 3.1 हा अतिशय इझी एक्सरसाइज आहे आणि तो सॉल्व्ह करण्यापूर्वी ही यादी तुम्ही नीट लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, नाव दी नेक्स्ट सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल. 12वीची परीक्षा ही बोर्डाची परीक्षा असते आणि त्यामध्ये सर्व सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल्सला देखील महत्व दिलं जातं. ओके, y is equals to first example 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x bracket is to 6. Then find dy by dx. Now we have given that y is equals to 4x cube plus 2x square minus 2x bracket is to 6. आता या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये जे काही दिलेले त्याला आपण काय ट्रीट करणार u. Therefore u is equals to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x. Then this y will become y is equals to u raised to 6. म्हणजे या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये जे काही दिले ते आपण कशाने रिप्लेस केलं? u ने रिप्लेस केलं. Therefore here you will get y is equals to u raised to 6. Now differentiate this y with respect to u. मी काय म्हणतोय बघा, differentiate this y with respect to u. Therefore dy by du is equals to, मग हा x raised to n प्रमाणे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करणार. हा 6 पुढे 6 मधनं 1 मायनस केला, you will get 5. That is a dy by du is equals to 6 u raised to 5. Okay. Now replace the value of u. मग u काय? तर 4x cube plus 2x square minus 3x. इथे तो आपण रिप्लेस केला. And hence we have the value dy by du is equals to 6 in bracket 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x bracket is to 5. Next, आपण या u चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट. ओके, व्हॉट इज दॅट? u मध्ये कोण आहे? तर x आहे. Therefore differentiate this with respect to x. हा आपण with respect to u केला होता. Now differentiate this with respect to x, that is du by dx is equals to 4x cube म्हणजे हा पुन्हा 3 पुढे आला. 4 into 3 12 यातनं 1 मायनस केला 12x square. पुन्हा 2 पुढे येणार. 3 into 2 6 यातनं 1 मायनस करणार 6x. Here is a 6x. And the derivative of x. The derivative of x is 1. 2 into 1 that is a 2. 2 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा नाही. It's a multiplicative constant. Therefore keep it as it is. Therefore derivative of 2x is a 2 because the derivative of x is 1. आता आपल्याला दोन्ही क्वांटिटीज मिळाल्या, dy by du and next du by dx. Now what is our chain rule? Our chain rule is dy by dx is equals to, आपल्याला ऍक्च्युअली काय करायचं तर dy by dx. This dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Now substitute the value of dy by du. It is a 6 in bracket 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x bracket is to 5 into du by dx. तो किती आहे तर 12x square plus 6x minus 2 and this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता इथे. Now the next example. Y is equals to log of 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Find dy by dx. Now we have given y is equals to log of 4x square plus 3x minus 1. आपल्याला y is equals to log of x राहिला असता त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x. पण इथे काय? x other than x. Again this function is a composite function. Okay. Therefore we treat this 4x square plus 3x minus 1 as a u. Therefore you will get y is equals to log of u. Then what is the now differentiate this with respect to u. then you will get dy by du. आता log of x चा derivative काय तर 1 upon x. Similarly, derivative of log of u is 1 upon u. हा first part apply this sum. Next, replace the value of u. What is that? U. U is a 4x square plus 3x minus 1, and hence we have the value dy by du is equals to 1 upon 4x square plus 3x minus 1. पुढे नंतर काय की आपण या u चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत असतो. डिफरन्शिएट दिस, u मध्ये कोण आहे तर x आहे. डिफरन्शिएट दिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. देअरफॉर du by dx is equals to 4x स्क्वेअर चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पुन्हा 2 पुढे आणणार. 2 into 4 8 आणि या पॉवर मधनं 1 मायनस करणार. देन यू विल गेट 8x. 3 into x, derivative of x is 1. 3 into 1 is a 3. Derivative of minus 1, it's a constant, its a derivative is a 0. Therefore, you will get 8x plus 3. This is the 8x plus 3. This is du by dx. And this is the dy by du. Again by the chain rule. म्हणजे प्रत्येकदा आपण काय करतो? dy by du and then du by dx. Substitute this value in the chain rule. dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. But what is the dy by du? It is a 1 upon 4x square plus 3x minus 1. 1 upon 4x square plus 3x minus 1. What is the du by dx? It's 8x plus 3, and hence the answer. Okay, this is the answer. 1 into 8x plus 3 is 8x plus 3. Denominator is as it is, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता. Okay, now the next problem. Y is equals to cubic root of in bracket 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 5. Now these can be written as y is equals to again 3x square plus 8x minus 7. हा raised to 5 बघा आणि हे क्यूबिक रूट आहे म्हणजे तो काय होणार 5 by 3. सपोज इथे 7 राहिला असता तर 5 by 7 आला असते. ओके, therefore y is equals to 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 5 by 3. पुन्हा composite function. याला काय एवढ्याला ट्रीट करणार u. Therefore u is equals to 3x square plus 8x minus 7. And therefore y is equals to u raised to 5 by 3. मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा x raised to n सारखा n into x raised to n minus 1 म्हणजे 5 by 3 पुढे 5 by 3 minus 1. here 5 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 1 किती आला 3 आला. 5 minus इथे 5 minus 3 upon 3. Then you are getting 2 upon 3. Therefore this is a 2 by 3. 5 by 3 into u raised to 2 by 3. Replace the value of u. What is u? 3x square plus 8x minus 7. And hence dy by du is equals to 5 by 3. The value of u, 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 2 by 3. And next, the derivative of this u. आता u मध्ये कोण येतं x आहे. Therefore differentiate this with respect to x. मग 3x square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हे 2 पुढे येणार. 3 into 2 6. यातनं एक मायनस होणार म्हणजे पॉवर किती आली 1. Therefore the derivative of 3x square is a 6x. This is a 6x. Derivative of 8x. 8 multiplicative constant है. Keep it as it is. Derivative of x is 1. 8 into 1 you are getting 8. Derivative of 7, which is the constant, its a derivative is a 0. Therefore du by dx is equals to 6x plus 8. And in this way again by the chain rule. मग आपल्या दोन गोष्टी झाल्या. dy by du झाला du by dx, and hence by the chain rule dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. आणि त्या व्हॅल्यूज आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करत असतो, which is the 5 by 3, 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 2 by 3 and into the derivative of this 6x plus 8. Okay, and this is the answer. पुन्हा ते तुम्ही बघू शकता इथे. Okay, now the next problem number 4. If y is equals to e raised to log of x plus c. आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह माहिती आहे y is equals to e raised to x. Okay, suppose that y is equals to e raised to x. Then what is its a dy by dx. It's a dy by dx is a e raised to x. पण इथे x Other than x, there is one more term, one more function. What is that? Log of x plus c. Okay. म्हणजे काय की आपल्याला याचा देखील डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इनटू करावा लागणार आहे. Then what is your u here? Your u is log of x plus c. Now given that y is equals to e raised to log of x plus 6. Therefore u is equals to log of x plus 6. Okay. Now here we can write here y is equals to e raised to u. याबद्दल काय लिहिणार? u लिहिणार. Again y is a function of u. Differentiate this with respect to u. Therefore dy by du is equals to e raised to u. Now dy by du is equals to e raised to. But what is u? u लगेच आपण रिटर्न करत असतो त्याला. u is a log of x plus c and hence dy by du is equals to e raised to log of x plus 6. Next, we differentiate this u. या u चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण काढत असतो. What is that? du by, again, u is a function of x. Therefore, differentiate this with respect to x. du by dx is equals to log of x a derivative. We know it's a 1 upon x. What about the derivative of 6? It's a constant. The derivative of constant is 0. म्हणून du by dx किती आला? तर 1 upon x. मग आपल्या दोन्ही टर्म्स मिळाल्या. dy by du and du by dx. Again, by the chain rule. dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Substitute the values. मग dy by du काय? तर e raised to log of, in bracket, log of x plus 6. du by dx काय? तर 1 upon x and hence this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Now the next problem means what? Exercise 3.1. Very nice exercise. Now the first question, find dy by dx if y is equals to, okay, here y is equals to in root of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, here let u is equals to, okay, then what you will get? X plus 1 upon x. Then what about y? Y is equals to root of x plus 1 upon x. Then it will become root of u. That is, y is a function of u. Next, differentiate this with respect to u. Okay. Differentiate with respect to u. And hence, it is dy by du. dy upon du. Now, what is the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x. Similarly, the derivative of root u is 1 upon 2 root u. Okay. Again, this substitute the value of this u. Therefore, you will get here dy by du is equals to 1 upon, here is a 2 in bracket root of u. u is x plus 1 upon x. x plus 1 upon x. This is the dy by du is equals to 1 upon 2 into root of x plus 1 upon x. Now you can see this here. U is equals to, I will write here, u is equals to x plus 1 upon x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, because u is a function of x and therefore here du by dx. The derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 upon x is a minus 1 upon x square. Okay, and hence again by the chain rule, okay, by chain rule. By chain rule. What is that chain rule? Dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du upon dx. Now substitute the values. Okay, here is a dy by du. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to dy by du means what? 1 upon 2 in root of x plus 1 upon x into the derivative of u, which is the 1 minus 1 upon x square. Okay, therefore I will write here in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square. Okay, or you can write it is like this, dy by dx is equals to, okay, this 1 upon 2, yeah, into 1 upon in root of x plus 1 upon x into in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square. This is the one way of writing the answer. Otherwise, you may write just like this, dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2. Take this term to the numerator, then its power will become minus, therefore x plus 1 upon x raised to minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square, and this is the answer. Okay. Yeah. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. See this here. Y is equals to u is equals to x plus 1 upon x. Y is equals to root u. Differentiate this with respect to u. 1 upon 2 root u, or here you can write this also 1 upon 2 in bracket x plus 1 upon x. You can take this power to the term to the numerator. Its power is a minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Next, find out the derivative of u. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 upon x is a minus 1 upon x square. Then by the chain rule, you have this type of the answer, or you may have. Now the next problem is y is equals to cubic root of a square plus x square. Therefore, I will write here cubic root of a square plus x square. Now here the substitution. Let u is equals to a square plus x square, a square plus x square. Okay. Therefore, you will get here y is equals to cubic root of u. Cubic root of u means what? U raised to 1 upon 3. That is y is equals to u raised to 1 upon 3. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate. Sorry, with respect to u. Okay. Then dy by du is equals to हा 1 by 3 पुढे घेणार आणि यातनं एक 1 मायनस करणार. Therefore, you will get here 1 by 3. Here I will write here 1 by 3 minus 1. Then you will get minus 2 upon 3. Okay. And here I will write here minus 2 upon 3. Then replace the value of u. Okay. Therefore, dy by du is equals to 1 by 3. U is a square plus x square, and this bracket is to minus 2 upon 3. Okay. This is the dy by du. Now next we'll find out the derivative of u with respect to x. Now here u is equals to a square plus x square. Differentiate this. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, du by dx, derivative of a square is 0 and derivative of x square is a 2x. Okay. Then by chain rule, dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Now substitute the value of dy by du. What is the dy by du? It is a 1 upon 3 in bracket a square plus x square minus 2 upon 3 into the derivative of u with respect to x, that is a 2x, and hence we can write this answer 2 by 3 into x into a square plus x square and rest to minus 2 upon 3. Okay. And here is answer dy by dx is equals to 2x upon 3 into in bracket a square plus a square bracket as to minus 2 by 3. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता y is equals to cubic root of a square plus x square, u is equals to a square plus a square, then y is equals to, you will get cubic root of u means what? U raised to 1 by 3. U raised to 1 by 3 is a derivative. Take 1 by 3 here minus 1 by 3 minus 1, you will get minus 2 by 3. Okay. And therefore dy by du 1 by 3, replace the value of u. What is u? A square plus a square minus 2 by 3. Now u is equals to a square plus a square. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Du by dx is equals to 2x, again by the chain rule. Substitute the values and hence you will get the answer dy by dx is equals to 2x upon 3 into a square plus x square raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay, now take the next problem. Now the next, y is equals to 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x, and this bracket is to 9. Again, let u is equals to, what is u? 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x. Now our term will become, y will become like this, y is equals to this u raised to 9. Differentiate this with respect to u. Therefore, dy upon du is equals to 9 into u raised to 9 minus 1. It is a 8. Okay. And hence dy by du is equals to 9 in bracket. What is u? U is 5 x cube minus 4x square minus 8x bracket raised to 8. This is the first part. What about the next? U is equals to here. Okay. U is equals to 5 x cube minus 4x square minus 8x. Now u is a function of x and therefore differentiate with respect to x, and hence du upon dx is equals to derivative of 5x cube. हा 3 पुढे येणार. 5 into 3, that will become 15. 3 minus 1, 15x square. Again 2 into 4, 8. Okay, 8 and 2 minus 1, the power of x will become 1. Keep it as it is. That is a minus 8x. Derivative of 4x square is a 8x. Next, derivative of 8x. 8 is multiplicative constant. Derivative of x is 1. 8 into 1, that is 8, and hence it is a minus 8. Again, by chain rule, okay. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Now we'll substitute the values. Okay, see this here. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to, what is the dy by du? dy by du is 9 in bracket 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x bracket raised to 8 into, okay, here is a du by dx, 15x square minus 8x minus 8. Okay, I will write here 15x square minus 8x and lastly minus 8. Okay, and this is the answer. Now you can see once again. Okay, it's very easy. U is equals to y is equals to u raised to 9. It's a derivative. Resubstitute value of u. Again, u is equals to differentiate with respect to x by the chain rule. Substitute the value. You will get the answer. Now the next problem. Question number 2. Find dy by dx if y is equals to log of log x. Now here y is equals to log of, in bracket, log x. Again this substitution, let u is equals to log x. Therefore, y is equals to, the term will become log of u. Now differentiate this with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u. Therefore, dy by du is equals to 1 upon u. But what is u? Therefore, dy by dx is equals to, u is log x. Therefore, it is a 1 upon log x. Next, u is equals to log of x. Now differentiate this. U is a function of x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, du upon dx is equals to 1 upon x. and hence again by the chain rule, by chain rule, okay, what is that? Dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du upon dx. Now substitute the value. Okay, here u, this is the dy by du. Okay. Now substitute the value of dy by du is 1 upon x and du by dx is, sorry, dy by du is 1 upon log x and du by dx is 1 upon x. या values इथे substitute करना. Therefore here dy by du is 1 upon log x. Okay. Into du by dx. The value of du by dx is 1 upon x. I will write here 1 upon x. And hence the answer 1 upon x into log of x, which is the dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x into log x. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय y is equals to log of log x. U is log x, then y is equals to log of u. Differentiate this with respect to u because y is a function of u. Therefore, dy by du is equals to 1 upon u. Resubstitute the value of u, which is the log x. Therefore, dy by du is equals to 1 upon log x. Next, u is equals to log x. Differentiate this with respect to x. U is a function of x. Therefore, du by dx is equals to 1 upon x. And next, by the chain rule. Okay. dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Then 1 upon log x into 1 upon x. And this is the answer. Now, next problem. Next problem. Y is equals to log of, in bracket, 10 x raised to 4 plus 5 x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 2. Okay. Now let u is equals to 10 x raised to 4 plus 5 x cube minus 3 x square plus 2. Okay. Therefore, our expression will become y is equals to log of u. Now differentiate this with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u. Therefore, dy by dx, sorry, dy by du, dy by du is equals to 1 upon u. Resubstitute the value of u. dy by du is equals to 1 upon, okay, in bracket 10 x raised to 4 plus 5 x cube minus 3 x square plus 2. Next, here u is equals to 10 x raised to 4 plus 5 x cube minus 3 x square plus 2. Now u is a function of x and therefore differentiate with respect to x and hence it's a derivative. Du upon here dx is equals to, ही पॉवर पुढे घेणार 10 into 4 you will get 40 आणि यातनं एक मायनस करणार therefore 40 x cube 5 into 3, here is a 15. Again x square. हा 3 पुढे घेणार आपण. सॉरी 2 पुढे घेणार. 2 into 3, 6. या पॉवर मध्ये एक मायनस करणार. Therefore it's a derivative. Is a 6x and derivative of constant is a 0. This is the du by dx. Okay. Next, by the chain rule. Okay. By chain rule. What is that? Dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du upon dx. Now substitute the value of dy by du means what? It is a 1 upon in bracket 10 x raised to 4 plus 5 x cube minus 3 x square plus 2 into du by dx. What is that? 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. Okay. Its a derivative is a 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x. Okay. Now the normal simplification. The dy by dx is equals to 1 into this quantity, that will 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x in this bracket, and this divided by in bracket 10 x raised to 4 plus 5 x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay. You can see this here. First is u, log of u, differentiate 1 upon u, substitute the value. You will get dy by du. Next, u is equals to differentiate derivative of 10x raised to 4, 40x cube, एक पावर माइनस करना, 4 पुढे येणार. पुन्हा derivative of 5x cube, 5 into 3 15, power minus, एक minus करना. Okay, and the last derivative of 3x square is a 6x. Okay, derivative of constant is 0. By the chain rule, substitute the value, and then you will get the answer. Number. Okay, now the next problem. Now the problem number 3, y is equals to log of ax square plus bx plus c. Again, it's very simple problem. I will write here y is equals to, okay, y is equals to log of in bracket ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, again let u is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and therefore y will become log of u. Now differentiate this with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u, and therefore dy by dx, sorry, dy by du, dy by du is equals to 1 upon u. Substitute the value of u, dy by du is equals to 1 upon u. Now what is u here? U is a ax square plus bx plus c. Next, u is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Now differentiate this with respect to x, and hence du by dx is equals to the derivative of ax square is 2ax. x square म्हणजे 2 पुढे घेणार 1 minus करणार power बंद. It will become x, and derivative of bx, derivative of x is 1, b into 1, 1 into b is b, derivative of c is 0. This is the du by dx. Next, again by the chain rule, okay, by chain rule, okay, what is the chain rule? Dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx, and therefore dy by du is 1 upon in bracket ax square plus bx plus c, bracket complete, into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c, that is nothing but the 2ax plus b. Okay, and hence the answer we will write here dy by dx is equals to 2ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, you can see this, the problem. Y is equals to log of ax square plus bx plus c, u, log of u, differentiate with respect to u, its a derivative is 1 upon u. Okay, substitute the value of u. Next, u is equals to differentiate with respect to x, derivative of ax square is a 2x, derivative of bx is b, c is a 0. And again by the chain rule, dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Substitute the value, and this is the answer. Now the next problem, question number 3, find dy by dx if y is equals to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, here again y is equals to e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Again here put u is equals to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Therefore, our expression will become y is equals to e raised to u. Now differentiate this. Okay, differentiate with respect to u. Therefore, dy by du, the derivative of e raised to u is e raised to u. Okay, resubstitute, sorry, derivative of e raised to u is a e raised to u, and hence it is a e raised to u. Okay, and hence dy by du is equals to, resubstitute the value of u, which is the 5x square minus 2x plus 4. This is the first part. Now the next, put as we have substituted u is equals to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Now differentiate this. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, and hence du by dx is equals to, okay, द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 5x स्क्वेअर हा 2 पुढे घेणार 5 into 2 10 एक पॉवर कमी करणार मायनस करणार डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x is 1 2 into 1 that is a 2 okay so minus 2 and derivative of constant is 0 and hence du by dx is a 10x minus 2 dy by du is a e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4 and hence by the chain rule okay what is the chain rule dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx okay and hence what is the dy by du dy by du is e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4 into derivative of u. What is the derivative of u? It is a 10x minus 2. Again, it can be written as dy by dx is equals to in bracket 10x minus 2 and then e raised to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, now you can see the second. First is y is equals to a raised to substitute u, then dy by du is a raised to u, we substitute the value of u. Again, u is equals to differentiate with respect to x, therefore du by dx is 10x minus 2. Again by the chain rule and resubstitute the value of u. Now the next problem is y is equals to a raised to in bracket 1 plus log x. Again here put u is equals to 1 plus log x. Therefore, your expression will be y is equals to a raised to u. Now differentiate this. Okay, differentiate with respect to u and therefore dy by du is equals to a raised to u into log of a and therefore dy by du is equals to a raised to u. What is u? U is in bracket 1 plus log of x into log of a. This is the first one. Next, u is equals to 1 plus log x. Differentiate this with respect to x and hence you will have du by dx is equals to derivative of 1 is 0 and the log of x is a 1 upon x. Therefore again by the chain rule. Okay. Therefore by chain rule dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du upon dx. Okay, what is the dy by du? Is a raised to in bracket 1 plus log x, okay, into log of a into 1 upon x. Okay. Now overall the final answer dy by dx is equals to a raised to in bracket 1 plus log x into log of a into 1 upon x. This is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय u 1 plus log x a raised to u differentiate with respect to u dy by du is equals to a raised to u into log a. Resubstitute the value of u 1 plus log a raised to 1 plus log a, okay, into log a. U is equals to 1 plus log x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of 1 is constant. Its derivative is 0. Log of x is 1 upon x. And again by the chain rule, dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. Substitute the value of dy by du and du by dx. Now the next problem. Y is equals to 5 raised to in bracket x plus log x. Okay. Here put u is equals to x plus log x. Therefore, our expression will become 5 raised to u. Differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to u, and therefore dy by du is equals to 5 raised to u into log of 5. Resubstitute the value of u. Therefore, dy by du is equals to 5 raised to u. But what is u? U is a 1 plus, sorry, x plus log x. X plus log x into log of 5. Now the next, u is equals to x plus log x. U is a function of x, and therefore differentiate this with respect to x, and hence du upon dx is equals to derivative of x is 1 and log of x is 1 upon x. Okay, this is the du by dx. Again by the chain rule, therefore by chain rule, dy by dx is equals to dy upon du into du upon dx, and that is equals to, okay, this is equals to, what is the dy by du? 5 raised to in bracket x plus log x into log of 5, okay, into du by dx, that is in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x, in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay, therefore the answer is dy upon dx is equals to 5 raised to in bracket x plus log x into log of 5 into in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Y is equals to 5 raised to x plus log x. Put u. Y is equals to 5 raised to u. Differentiate with respect to u. Dy by du is equals to 5 raised to u into log of 5. Resubstitute value of u. Dy by du is equals to 5 raised to x plus log x into log of 5. Next, derivative of u. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1. Log of x is 1 upon x. Again, by the chain rule, dy by dx is equals to dy by du into du by dx. And hence, the answer dy by dx is equals to 5 raised to x plus log x into log of 5 into in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. In this way, we have completed the exercise 3.1. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.